Neural organization technique is exactly what it says in its name. It's a technique to organize the nervous system. In order to understand this more comprehensively, think of the body like a computer. All computers need what's called a base operating system to function. Without that, your applications, your other programs can't run efficiently or can't run at all. So our approach is to first say, instead of looking at these higher applications or these individual programs, let's first go and make sure that the basic operating system is working. Now, if we can apply that to the body, this is what science has unraveled, that we are actually biocomputers. Our nervous system functions like a biocomputer. And we have found in the research of applied kinesiology, craniosacral therapy, reflexology, classical acupuncture, that there are circuits that run all over the body. So think of it like a motherboard. And in neural organization technique, the founder, Dr. Ferreri, in 1979, started to discover that were repeatable programs. So he spent the next 20, 30 years of his life trying to find these programs, and he did, till they were repeatable, reproducible, and they were able to be done and completed in 1 or 2 treatments. And the theory will be explained in another video. However, neural organization technique is exactly that. We live in the jungle and we are born with a base set of programs. When we have traumas, falls, accidents, chemical traumas, overloads, this can overload the circuits, very much like in your house, the circuit breakers could go off. And so now the house is really not running efficiently. And this is what happens to our health. And most of the time, these injuries and traumas happen in our first 5 to 10 years of life. And we might not have symptoms till we're 20, 30, or 40 years of age. And so neural organization technique and using the phenomenon of muscle testing, which was founded in applied kinesiology, we can very efficiently go through, like an electrician, test the circuits one by one, and correct as we find them. And it's the job of the electrician to know how to do it. What is unique to neural organization technique is Dr. Ferreri unearthed the programs. It's like he found the manual for the human body. So now there's 10 to 20 to 30 of us around the world who have been certified and trained in how to reorganize the nervous system. Then after this, they can proceed on with other techniques that they found help, but the problem keeps coming back. And this is where we first do neural organization technique, because now within 1 or 2 treatments, we can reset it and it does not come back.